The Rugby Game by a Disgruntled Worker, a Satire, Part 13. Ah, so predominant, the ever illustrious manager, a beacon of transparency and openness in the workplace. His decision making processes, actions, and motivations are as clear as mud, and his team members revel in the joy of discovering hidden treasures whenever he deigns to share a breadcrumb of information. In the realm of leadership, Joe is a veritable magician, making goals and objectives vanish into thin air. On the rugby field, he is a knight in shining armor, bravely deflecting responsibility and gallantly opposing game plans. When the battle strategy is revealed, he valiantly walks out, a true hero flying under the radar. Among his peers, Joe is the epitome of substance and influence, a veritable cowboy without cattle. And then there's Anthony Motivation, that audacious team player. He dares to stand against union busting and sports a jumper that reads, "Be funny or be sacked." Such insolence, how could it not provoke the ire of our dear, even tempered Joe?